Right, so both fans are in, one at the front, one at the back. We've had a little bit of rain, so far no leaks, so that's all good. Right, so next job for the day is to get these windows in. So we've got one going in the side door, one at the front side there, and then a small one going in here for the bedroom. So we decided not to use bonded windows on our van. Instead, we've decided to go for these Campervan windows. These are the Adventurer. I'll put a link to them in the description. These are quite a slim window. They don't stick out very far. Very low profile. We've got a couple of 900 by 500s going in the front, and the 7 by 300 going in the rear by the bed. I like these because they are quite secure. They've got 4 latches on the window, all with child security locks, so they make it a little bit harder to get up inside and pop the lock open, so a little bit more secure. They also come with the fly screens and the blackout blinds as well. Quite a reasonable price, and as I said, I'll pop the link in the description below. Okay, so I've laid out the window on the trestles. What we've got here, just show you. We've got the frame, the inside frame here, so this is going to come off. So this is where the window is going to sit on the outside of the van. So we want this, it will be the size that we cut for the hole. So we need to make a frame that's going to sit on here, all the way around, to give us something to clamp onto when after we've bonded the window to the outside. So as you'd expect from buying a 900 by 500 window, the measurements are 900 by 500, but it doesn't hurt to check them. Now we're just going to make a frame to fit. Right, so to make the frame, I'm going to be using this 2x1, 25 by 50 mil roofing batten, treated timber. Same timber that we use for the flooring, so looks nice and straight. Let's give it a go. Now, the long piece of timber that will go along the top and the bottom of the window, which are 900, I'm going to cut this about 4 inches longer so that it overlaps. Then we can put the uprights into the straight into the top and bottom timbers. Top tip: stay organised. Get yourself a couple of these magnetic hooks. There we go, keeps everything out of the way. Done. Okay, so the GoPro ran out of battery yesterday, so we didn't get to show you the finishing off of the window frames, but they are done. We've got 2 for the larger windows, and we've got this long, narrow one for the back window. Now the way these work is that we'll have these frames that we've made before. These will be stuck to the side of the van, and then as the window comes through, they will go onto inside the frame, like so. Right, so what we do then is we take this metal frame, we will put that over the top of the inside lip of the window, and that will screw in, and it doesn't screw into the wooden frame, it just clamps onto the frame, and that's what will keep it in place, as well as the Sikaflex that we will put in around the outside of the window as well to seal it and to stick it on. So that's what we're going to do now, and start cutting the hole in the side of the van, get this fitted. Wish me luck. So the first job of the day is to get these supports off. Just cut them across. There's a little bit of adhesive behind just holding them on, nice and sturdy, but that'll just scrape out. We get something behind it to protect the outside skin while we cut through. Once that's all cut off, we can cut the hole, stick the window in. So, let's get cracking. There we go. It's multi-tool. One more, and then we just cut the bottoms off. We're ready to cut. Right, that's the first 3 supports out. What we've got to do now is mark out where the window's going, cut some holes, jigsaw it out, and we can get the window in. Sounds simple. Okay, so now we've actually got the window to fit, finally. A lot of fettling and filing, but now it fits, so we can just clean this up, the deburring tool out, so I'm going to deburr everything, give it a little primer just to protect the bare metal, and then we'll stick the inside wooden frame on. And once all that is set and dry, we can put some Sikaflex around the outside window, put it in, tighten it up, and we're good to go. Why? Why oh why? Swing it like a kettlebell. Yeah, that fits. It fits, it's a fit. Okay, so we're ready to put the window in. Just gone round with some Sikaflex all the way around. And we'll push that into the gap that we've made. And then Kelly will put the frame on the inside, secure it all in with the screws. Let's see how we get on. Right, so the windows are in. Pretty pleased with them. We used flat windows, not curved windows, and in hindsight probably should have used curved ones. We've got a slight indent here, just where it's pulling the bodywork in. It hardly notices really, so not too bad a job. Just go around to the other side. We got the back one again, quite nice, nice window really. Very impressed with it. Nicely tinted as well, which is nice. Went in nice and easy. Front one, again, I've got the slight indentation here where it's pulling the panel in slightly, but you only really notice it in the light. But yeah, again, really nice job. Highly recommend them. As I said, nicely tinted. You've got 4 locks on these, and they've got child locks on as well, so they you can actually lock the latches. All in all, quite impressed. Happy with the job. Next job to do will be the vapor barrier inside, and we've got the roof rack to do. We've got to get the solar panels on and things like that. So plenty more still to do. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so you don't miss any of that still to come. If you did like the video and you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and like the video. It all helps the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does mean a lot to us. So until next time, thanks a lot, and we'll see you again.